Hello everybody, today we are going to be playing Roblox Tornado Chasers. Basically, imagine the old 2014 style storm chasing games. I guess, I don't know. This is probably what they would look like. I'm not saying this is what they will look like, but this just looks similar to the old classic Roblox. Not fully, but to me it does. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. In today's video, I'm going to try and get Tornado. Maybe even TF2 in this video. Basically, this is the day we're playing Tornado Chasers until I get TF2. Getting closer. Deploy! Deploy! That works. Okay, here we go. We're about to intercept. Get ready, Vortex 2 Scout. I guess, I don't know. Get ready, whatever that tornado interceptor is. Come on. We're entering. Oh, damn it. I was actually so excited.
Is on a knife edge with the recent hot, dry weather threatening food production. It really is having a critical immediate impact.
I just realized the spike tips are touching the ground. Oh my god, bro! What did I do against the Dominator? Tornado forming. Tornado. Yes, tornado. Please don't go off the map. Please actually have a new path. Yes, no, why Tornado Wrangler? What did I do? Okay, I'm pulling. Okay. There we go. Here we go. 158 entering. 169. Durations 171. 170. 178. Holy crap, I lifted 194. 194. I just got 194. Wow, I need to regain now because I'm probably stuck. I need 300,000 for that, and I don't know why. There's an armored scout vehicle now? What?
At any time in the last 12 months.
I was about to say, I think my game froze. Yeah, I like how you can actually destroy cherries. What about the Doppler radar? Can I destroy the Doppler radar? Bro, get out of my way! Can I knock down the tower? Or Doppler radar? I think this game only has 2 types of tornadoes. Pretty sure it only has 2 types of tornadoes. Okay. Deploy. This is actually how to intercept the system. Yeah. 175 and what? I'm flying. Okay, next server, but I need a server hop. It took me a minute to actually find this game. So yeah. That's what I should do if you're not learning it. Multi-vortex fix? Oh yeah, that's the multi-vortex. What kind of what kind of probe is this? What kind of probe is that? Oh my god, wait, this probe is actually nice. Yeah, look at the anemometer! Oh my god, that's actually a funny looking probe. That is a funny looking probe. I wish you could upgrade the Floronics into the Coordinator 1 or something. Anyway, I'm gonna go intercept this tornado now. Why is that tornado still active even after the clouds died? Oh my god, this is actually a crazy radar. Probe cam V2. I can afford a lot of these vehicles and stuff. Okay. I have a bunch of probes here. There you go. Okay, wait. Tornado. There's the tornado. Okay, that's the path. We need to probe it or something. As I'm deploying, drop every probe I have. Every probe in my inventory is going down. Okay, I'm back in. Here we go. I'm about to have the craziest intercept. Here we go, bro. Here we go. This is about to be a crazy intercept. Oh my god. 168. Oh my god. Wow. Well, kind of really got wafted. Oh my god. I like how all the debris that the tree got, like all the debris the tornado got, just got thrown out into the pond again. There might be another tornado.
So together, we can save more lives.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this, but in the video where I tried after every intercept my vehicle got upgraded, I accidentally put all of the tree music in the background instead of my chill music that I was gonna put. So the video got copyright strike. So after that I post this video, I'm probably gonna re-record it, make a thumbnail, because I hope you guys like my thumbnails. I like to go with the simple CapCut style.
Secrets of a murder detective tonight.
Tornado! There's a tornado! Got 3 probes that I'm going to use. for this next intercept. I guess. I've got this. Try to look for a good spot to deploy. You know what? I'm just gonna deploy. There we go. 138, 138. 140. 149. 172. Oh crap, I'm with it. Sorry about that. I need a picture for the thumbnail. 200! I got 200! I just got 200! I just got 200! Anyway, I want to end the video after that intercept. I'll see you guys in the next video.